it was in and around Mumbai. And to move from Mumbai to Chennai, that epicenter for R&D, and R&D being the most important, vital part of business, was a very major decision. And the reason we did that was that we believe that here in Mahindra World City, we can provide the 3 Ls very well within the premises of the World City: livelihood, living, and life. And this club today completes that journey that Mahindra World City has been on, to provide life in this premises of living and livelihood. Now we have a club. We already have a hotel. We have restaurants. We have multiplex coming up. We have a hospital. We have gymnasiums. So all of these things, really the social infrastructure that we are looking for. As has been talked about by Mr. Wagul, the city with a soul. And I was contemplating, I think that's a very good way of looking at Mahindra World City. And I think that, Mr. Wagul, it will be much sooner than what you think before the soul comes into Mahindra World City. I think it's already happened. When I come here once a quarter and stay in the Sylvan County and walk around in the evening, I really feel very different than walking around in Juhu, where you don't know what's going to hit you next. Whereas here, when you're walking in the evening, it's in a serene atmosphere. It really is a very good feeling of being in a place where you can enjoy life and not just live there or work there. It's taken a lot of effort to put this facility through, a lot of planning that has been done, and aggressively providing a budget which is perhaps far more than what can be justified based on membership. So Anita, thank you very much for providing that budget. I'm sure that people who live here will appreciate when they start using this facility and the kind of life they can develop with their families and friends around here. With the Sylvan County that is already in place, Iris Code that has started now having people move in, Aqualily is already in place. I think it's really becoming a complete city. The aspiration, the dream that we had in the beginning when we started Mahindra World City many years ago with Arun Nanda, Mr. Babu, you as being part of that, Anita. And I'm really excited that this whole thing is coming together well. It's taken a lot of effort. It's taken a lot of heartburn, hardship to everyone. But it always happens when you're trying to create something new, something path-defining. It already happens. Perhaps many of us have not gone through that process of establishing something new. And when you do that, you will have to be as sort of the first settlers to go through that pain. And that's what I've been telling all the people in MRV, Mahindra Research Valley, that being the first settlers, you have to go through that process of creating something that the generations would thank you for. Because 10 years, 15 years, 30 years, 50 years from now, one would kind of go back to history and see how all this sort of started from nothing. And if you were to look at the 1,500 acres that we have here when you started in 2002, it will be hard to believe that in that sort of jungle, we have what we have here today. And that's what gives satisfaction to all the people who have worked so hard to make this happen. In Mahindra Research Valley, if I could just take a minute, we have more than 2,000 people here doing all the engineering work for Mahindra Tractors and Mahindra Automotive business. Many of these people have moved from Mumbai, Nashik, Pune. Many of these people we have hired locally or new in this place. And if you were to go, I don't know how many of you have gone inside Mahindra Research Valley and take a look at it. If you were to go and compare what has been created there as R&D infrastructure, it certainly is comparable to anything else that you will see anywhere in the world. We are very proud of what we have been able to do in Mahindra World City with Mahindra Research Valley. Very proud of the fact that we have 2,000 of the best brains in India working on automotive and tractor R&D work here. I'm very proud that we are producing and developing products that are doing very well all over India and outside India, both on the automotive side and the tractor side. And that in some ways is the power of Mahindra World. That's the reason we came here, to create that ecosystem that will allow our engineers to excel, to do their best, to do much more than what they could have done in a more industrial atmosphere that we had in our Kandivali plant and a Nashik plant. So thank you very much, Anita, for giving us that ecosystem, for doing what our engineers are doing here today. And thank you for creating this club, which I'm sure that our 700 members will enjoy very much. And thank you for giving a citation. Our 700 members will really appreciate as being the first 700 to kind of start using this facility. Thank you very much for being here today and for inviting me here today. Thank you.